It was supposed to be another ordinary morning in the county courthouse. The judge sat high above in his seat, scanning the schedule without much interest until he looked up and saw a teenager standing at the defense table.
Son, this is a courtroom, not a schoolyard. Are you lost?
The judge asked, his voice dripping with sarcasm.
I'm exactly where I need to be.
The boy replied calmly. The courtroom broke into quiet chuckles. A few whispered to each other. A teenager here?
What's your name?
The judge asked.
George Carter.
And your role in this proceeding?
I'm the defense attorney.
The laughter grew louder. Someone at the back muttered, "He's kidding." But George didn't flinch. 1 week earlier, George was at the kitchen table, papers spread out everywhere, when his sister walked in.
You're crazy, George. You're 16.
And I've been studying law since I was 12.
He shot back.
They're not going to take you seriously.
Then I'll make them.
He pointed to a newspaper headline on the table. Community leader charged with armed robbery. It was Mr. Davis, a man who had mentored George for years. The same man who taught him to speak up when something was wrong.
They're railroading him.
George said.
And his lawyer just withdrew from the case 1 day before trial.
So you think you can walk into a courtroom and…
I don't think. I know I can. Back to the courtroom.
Mr. Carter,
The judge said slowly.
I don't know what game you're playing.
No game, Your Honor. My client has been wrongfully accused, and I have proof.
The judge leaned back, amused.
Proof? What is this, a school project?
No, a witness statement you ignored.
The whispers in the courtroom turned into murmurs. The judge frowned.
Bailiff, remove this.
With all due respect, sir.
George interrupted.
Under Statute 14b, I have the right to present evidence if the defendant's counsel is unavailable. Since Mr. Davis's attorney withdrew yesterday, I'm stepping in.
The judge's smirk faded.
Continue.
On the night of the crime, my client was giving a speech at a youth center.
George said.
10 people saw him. Here are their signed statements.
He placed the stack of papers on the desk.
And here
George continued.
is the security footage time-stamped.
The judge hesitated and signaled for the bailiff to take the USB. The footage played on the screen Mr. Davis, speaking to a group of teens, nowhere near the store that was robbed.
Why wasn't this submitted?
The judge demanded.
It was to you,
George replied.
but it disappeared from the record.
The room went dead silent. The judge's eyes narrowed.
Are you accusing me of?
I'm accusing the system of trying to bury the truth.
George said firmly.
If you're part of it, then yes.
For a moment, the two stared at each other.
Charges dismissed.
Finally, the judge picked up his gavel. The gavel came down. The sound echoed through the room. Outside the courthouse, cameras flashed.
How does it feel to win at your age?
A reporter asked.
It's not about winning.
George said.
It's about making sure people like Mr. Davis don't lose because of who they are.
His sister stepped forward.
You actually did it.
No,
George smiled.
we did it. Truth did it.